Mushroom bean roll sorting machine with packing machine is provided by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. Machine detail. 1. Clear up, feeding and packing automatically without manpower operation. 2. Clear up machine and positioning feeding machine can be operated separately. They can work in synchronization with producing line, synchronous change speed, automatic stop/startup in case of material absence/supply and so on. 3. Adopt multi-variable frequency speed control, servo drives control, easy operation, stable running, high amp. Control preciseness, low energy consumption. 4. To minimize secondary pollution of products due to traditional manpower arrangement. 5. Clear up correctly and the speed is up to 200 bags/min with high efficiency.